Team deathmatch. Enemy incoming. Weapons ready.
Like, bro,
Throw
no
the stun!
way.
Throwing grenade!
Yeah? What,
Enemy at the office.
like 2.3 or something, I think. It could be a 2.5, I don't know. I don't know. But I guess that's cool for me, because then I can get it. Make sure it's a 2.5. Have a whip.
Throwing grenade!
Bro. Why? You had to have done something, right?
UAV is ready for flyover.
Maybe she just doesn't feel
Falcon
it.
3-0. Good copy. UAV. They've reached the halfway point. Get moving.
Hit! Throwing stun!
Taking fire!
Grenade!
Cruise missile ready to launch.
Loading!
UAV is out of fuel. Returning to resupply.
I'm reloading!
Got a VTOL on station. Ready to deploy.
Why are you going on this ramp right now?
Got you, asshole!
They tagged me. Enemy at the... We have taken the lead. UAV is ready for flyover. This is Falcon 3-0. Good copy. UAV beginning flyover. Cruise missile ready to launch. Strike incoming. UAV is out. Got a VTOL on station. Ready to deploy.
No, they look fine.
Allied UAV overhead.
Throwing grenade!
No, why would I be upset? No, I just gotta walk in tomorrow.
Enemy
the
personal
stun!
radar overhead.
Reloading!
I am not sure. I don't.
Deploy recon! Find them!
This is Falcon 3-0. Good copy. UAV beginning flyover.
No way, you pussy ass nigger.
Cruise missile ready to launch.
Course 133 now on station.
UAV is out of fuel. Returning to resupply.